Morning guys. Shortcut tayo dito sa guys, sa may 12th Street corner Broadway Avenue. Ito yung Broadway Avenue guys. Marami siyang puno ng mangga guys. Kaya medyo madilim dito kasi maraming puno ng mangga. Puro mga luma yung mga bahay dito guys. Sakop ito ng Barangay Mariana, New Manila, Quezon City. Kaya pag dumaan kayo dito guys, slow down lang kayo guys, tsaka street smart lang kayo kasi bigla-bigla lang sumusulpot yung mga motorcycle dito eh. Kaya talagang kailangan street smart ka talaga. Kaya pailawin mo yung headlight mo. Yan, pailaw tayo headlight para ma-alarma yung ibang mga motorcycle. Kasi delikado rito. Yung pa naman hataw lang ng hataw. So kunting ingat lang tayo guys. Ganito ang itsura ng Broadway Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Alright guys, thank you for watching guys ha. Thank you for watching. Kapag nasa Broadway Avenue ka guys, corner 5th Street, kikita mo yung guys, Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Ito pala yung guys, Our Lady of Mount Carmel 50th anniversary as a parish siya. Ito, kaya meron silang occasion. Ayan guys ha. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in New Manila, Quezon City, Philippines. Bye. God bless you all.